Hi friends, how you guys doing? Today is another round of budget recommendation. Christmas is just around the corner. Probably you guys are looking for some decoration ideas for your room, for your house, or for your surrounding. Therefore, I have found some really budget but beautiful decorating lamps for this Christmas decoration. First of all, let's take a look at this lamp over here. It's made of plastic and you can hang the lamp anywhere you want. There's some pictures on it, and then it's powered by 3 AG13 battery right over here. It's provided in the package. The height of the lamp is about 12 centimeter. The width is 4 centimeter, and this LED is really bright. It can really light up a small room. Let's take a look at this round lamp over here. It's made of plastic and you can hang it anywhere. There are some other pictures which you can choose from, and the flame, the LED lights are designed to be in this way. It's like a real flame burning inside. Alright, it's powered by 3 AG13 battery, same, and the power switch is over here. The height of this lamp is about 14. The width is about 8 centimeter. Alright, next is the two small house here. The LED light is a bit dim, but it really stands out when you are in a dark environment. Alright, it costs about 5 USD per piece and is powered by this 3 AG13 battery, and the power switch is right over here. The height of the house is about 9 centimeter. The width is about 6 centimeter. Alright, next is the lovely RGB lighting snowman. It is made up of these recycled plastic bits over here, and is powered by 3 AG13 battery, and the on-off switch is right over here. It costs about 1 USD. The height of this snowman is about 15 centimeter and the width is about 5 centimeter. Next, we'll take a look at this Christmas tree over here. The height is about 18 centimeter. It don't have any lightings, but you can use it to decorate your table or your room, and it costs about 2 USD. Now let's take a look at this RGB lighting ribbon. It's powered by 3 AA battery, and the on-off switch is right over here. It's about 4 meters in length, and you can use it for multi-decorating purposes. And lastly, let's take a look at this fake snow blanket. It really creates a fake snow atmosphere, which is very important. The length is about 120, the width is 33 centimeter, and it costs about 250 USD. Alright, this is a must buy. And the material for this fake snow blanket won't drop off easily. It won't create a messy environment for you to clean up. And that's all for the recommendation. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.